Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all the Presto Griddle real quick. My chef dad here is cooking us some bacon this morning for breakfast, and this is a really cool feature that I think is really unique on this griddle. Not only is it really big, you can see it holds a lot on that griddle, but it actually has this little splash guard here. So you see all that bacon grease? That would be getting all over their counters right now if they didn't have that splash guard. So that's a really cool feature that I've not seen on these griddles before, but it also serves a dual purpose. So you can lay it flat like this, and it will act as a warmer. So when he cooks some of this bacon, he'll actually put some of the bacon on there to warm it until we're all ready to eat it. So I thought that's a really cool feature. I just wanted to show it to you guys. It has the grease trap right here that you pull out and empty all that grease from. So it's really nice looking. They've had it for a while. They use it all the time, almost every morning for breakfast. You can see he's using the warmer right now for some of the bacon, and it does keep it really warm and nice for when you're ready to eat. So that is a cool feature. The warmer and the grease trap itself are actually dishwasher safe, so that's really cool. And then the griddle can be submerged in water for cleaning. So they said it's a really easy cleanup. Like I said, they use it a lot for breakfast, especially when large families over, and they can fit so many pancakes. And my dad uses it for burgers and just all the things. But it's a great product, and I just wanted to show y'all how unique and how functional it is.